So our first clue is on this up light switch. Now what do we do?
Notebook.
Yeah, our handy dandy notebook. An opposite notebook. Okay, so an up light switch. First, let's make a shape of a light switch that's pointing up and a rectangle behind it. There, an up light switch. So we're trying to figure out what opposite is Navy thinking about. And our first clue is an up light switch. So what opposite is Navy thinking about with an up light switch? Possible. I think it's supposed to find two more clues. Don't you think? Yeah, come on.